Y'all, have a delicious one for you today, strawberry cake. I picked these strawberries up from Southern Belle Farm, and I did clean them in the water and vinegar solution. And this right here is just a little Holler gadget that I have. I love this little thing. And also a strawberry slicer. It just makes it so easy. Now, after I sliced them, I did run some of them back through to dice them up a second time, and it just made quick work of it. I make a little bit of a mess here, as you can tell. That's all right. For the cake, I just used a white cake box mix. You can use whatever you like. Just follow the instructions on the box. This huge spatula was a gag gift, but it actually comes in handy. I was wishing I would have cooked 2 boxes of the cake mix because my layers are a little thin, but that's all right for now. My favorite part of this cake is the frosting. It is 16 ounces of Cool Whip, 16 ounces of sour cream, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. You're just going to layer it up. You put a layer of the frosting down, top it with the strawberries, and then add another layer of the cake, and all the way to the top. With this type of frosting, it is a refrigerator cake, so it does need to be stored in the refrigerator. I like to do the frosting and let it sit overnight, and then also the cake, I like to make it late in the evening and let it sit overnight. But you can go ahead and cut into it if you would like, but it's just the flavors mend together the longer it sits. These strawberries were so perfect. It was so hard not to eat half of them. Now, I did try to pick up the prettiest ones for the cake on the top, but normally I wouldn't even care about that. I would just kind of dump all of them. But for the video's sake, I did my best to try to make it look as pretty as possible. And I hope you give this frosting recipe a try. Again, the cake's not really a recipe. It's just a box mix. But use whatever type of homemade cake you like. It would just make it 1,000 times better.